Ever wonder why some channels explode while yours stays flat? The secret isn't luck, it's the breakthrough sequence. This strategy structures your videos so each one solves a specific problem created by the previous. 1. Ensuring viewers never leave your channel. First is the algorithm breakthrough. If your channel is dormant, you have a discovery problem. The algorithm is simply ignoring your potential. To fix this, use a title pivot and a specific hidden setting to force the algorithm to reevaluate and push your content to new audiences. But getting the click is only the start. Now that you have their attention, you have to survive the ghost loop. If your viewers leave after 10 seconds, you're losing them to shorts brain attention spans. High bounce rates are channel killers. The solution? Micro hooks and the ghost loop. This visual pacing keeps the brain engaged by constantly resetting the viewer's focus. Compare the two, standard editing versus high retention pacing. One loses the viewer immediately, the other keeps them hooked until the final second. Remember, retention is great, but vanity metrics don't make money. Your sequence must lead to a meaningful conversion or growth goal. Implement the breakthrough sequence today. Stop uploading random videos and start building a path that transforms your channel forever.